Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok account through Telegram. If you're looking to share your favorite TikTok accounts with your friends on Telegram, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the account's page that you want to share. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by scrolling through your TikTok feed. Once you're on the account's page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon and a menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select Telegram. This will redirect you to the Telegram app if you have it installed on your device. Step 4. Once you're in Telegram, you can select the receivers by tapping on their names or usernames. You can choose multiple recipients if you want to share the TikTok account with a group of friends. Once you've selected the receivers, tap on the paper plane icon to send the TikTok account link. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing TikTok accounts with your friends through Telegram.